So hi everyone, we just wait for some time till some more students joins us. We have right now 50 participants joining us. Dear students, please mute your mic, okay? We just wait for last 2 minutes. We have almost around 115 over the live stream, and we have more than around 20 here with us on Google Meet because you didn't have the institution login ID. So good afternoon, everyone. We have almost around 200 participants now, so I think it's the right time for us to start the meeting. And in continuation of our successful first program, which was on the opportunities for our Indian graduates abroad. For this session, we have invited Dr. Anthony Kumar, who doesn't need any interaction among students, but still, as formality, I'm going to introduce him to you all. He is going to talk about tips and tricks how to crack NEET PG, that is next or exit exam. And he is the founder president of Concept Next, and he is also a urological surgeon, a renal transplant surgeon. He has his own clinic, and he is very, very active among the doctor society. He was a very key participant when there was a doctor's strike. And the most important thing which I admire him is more than a subject, he involves himself in every activities. He has such a self-awareness. He involves in politics, he involves in doctors' issues, he involves in students' issues. Then he involves himself in training students also. So such a very versatile person, and we are so lucky to have him here. He's going to share his own views about how to crack the PG, or how to attend the exams, how to open the stress, how to approach the exams per se. So I'm not going to waste much time here. I'm going to do the show towards him. Hi, sir. Welcome you. So please take it from here. Thank you.
Hi, Nadesh. Thanks for your wonderful introduction. I welcome dear students of Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan Medical College. I welcome all viewers. So my job is to guide the medical students, to enlighten the knowledge, to give the roadmap from the first MBBS students to graduates, how to crack the next or exit or the latest NEET PG exam. Can I share the PPT, Nadesh?
Yes, sir, you can share, yeah, please.
Is it visible, friends? Is it visible, Nadesh?
The opening, sir. Just a minute. Yes, please proceed, sir. Thanks.
Yeah, welcome, my dear students. So, joining MBBS is many students, +2 students, dream, which I can say. So, like that, many of the people who has joined Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan Medical College also is something like my happy new place. Like the famous song, Pudiya Vaanam, Pudiya Bhumi, Engum Panimalai Puligirathu. The happiness is the core one when we joined medicine with a new, with well infrastructured lecture hall. But when we enter into the first year, the proper academic activity, the cadaveric room, many will be like a silent observer, like the famous scene in Munnabai, Vasul Raja MBBS, the silent observer. Many people, they don't like surgery at all. They don't like anatomy at all. But this place brings more surgeons. I love this place. There is no need to have aversion for this place. This is one of the place which has created so many surgeons. By the time go to the next department, we will be seeing general physiology. Oh my God, cholesterol, cell membrane. Where is this cell? Where is this tissues? Before understanding that, when we go into the place where there is a ATP, NADPH, the TCA cycle, HMP shunt, oh my God, so dyslexic. I do not know what is ATP, why this TCA cycle, why this biological oxidation. Before thinking all these things, the exam comes. Oh, I see the exam is there. After the exam only we know. So sad. Now only I started realizing the way to study the anatomy and physiology, but the days are over. I will help you to face these challenges in upcoming slides. This is by ending the first year, we enter into the wonderful, happy period in the life of MBBS student. The second year, which is a lot of fun, clinical posting, tea shop, canteen, outing, a lot of friends, lot of fun. I still remember the first Kodaikanal trip. Then we fight with each other. We'll identify, hey, Annamalai, hey, Ashok, like those dialects also will prevail. And we identify our gang. We sometimes settle with our gang. We love the gang. So The first year starts with some friendship. The second year redefines the friendship. And by the time a lot of politics, fun, and like the real work of the youngster, all these things, and the hormonal activity, all will creates a slow pace in the reading. So by this time, we will get into the other clinical posting, ophthalmology, and biostatistics, toxicology, and when we give the exam, oh my God, the real scariness comes. Now only many people knows his colleagues has completed the BE, his colleagues has completed some of the arts college and joined somebody in a UPSC, IAS, IPS also. So now only we will know what is the somebody may be asking what is the procedure to change the medicine. But some of the relatives also will be irritating. Already we will be in a lot of stress because the final MBBS is the exam which we have to clear to become a house surgeon. By this time, many relatives also will be irritating. Your son is or daughter is still doing his medicine. And many of us will be oscillating what to do after MBBS, UK, US, PLAB, etc. Mine will be oscillating or need PG. But for 2018 batch, no more oscillation. The one and only they have to clear first is a next or exit exam. But USMLE can be given in the second MBBS exam. Also, no need to worry about next exam. Second MBBS itself we can prepare. So how to overcome these challenges? So this is a small roadmap which I have come through during my MBBS days. Many students have come through these days, but these challenges to be overcome. We can easily overcome these challenges. How to do that? So after exam only, many knows I learn how to read. Where is the mistake? We fail to interact with our seniors. We fail to interact with our faculties. We fail to interact. What kind of the subject is anatomy? We somehow restrict to ourselves to some of the talks by some faculties in the YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, and we feel they are the God. No, your seniors are your God. Your colleagues are your God. Your friends are your God. Your faculties are your God. They know how to help you because they are seeing you day to day, my dear friends. Take their help. The first MBBS, I told you, you will be identifying the friends. The second MBBS, you redefine the friends. Okay, that is very important. Who will suit you? Who will not suit you? I did redefine them. And third MBBS, kindly strengthen the friendship. Okay, this strengthening is very important. Once you strengthen the friendship, rest of the things is awesome. It will come automatically. Many relatives will irritate you. I told you. Still, your student is doing your son is doing MBBS. Hey, cute. Still, you are studying MBBS. Are you doing final MBBS? Like that, people may put a irritating, annoying question. How to face that? Always remember, to give the irritant. What is best is not to defend ourselves. To identify the irritant and give the irritation back. Some of your uncle, his daughter or son may be eloped with somebody, or he may be eloped with someone and he may be settled. Identify that. Find others' weakness. When they irritate you, give it back. Don't try to defend yourself. No, uncle, it is not. It is a 5.5 years course. No, uncle. And then we have to prepare for a NEET exam. No, uncle. Don't defend like that. Identify the irritant and give back the irritation to them. Don't defend yourself. Okay, that is very, very important. This gives many times peace of mind for us. And second years, I told you the slow pace in reading will come. How to overcome that? I told you, identify your friends, play game. It gives a lot of energy. The real friendship brings a lot. One person will have a birthday. Some activities will be keep on coming. We will be enjoying the days. So find a friends, play, enjoy. And one more thing I will tell you. The second MBBS is this time. Many people they have completed the first MBBS and they are still enjoying. Sir, just completed 6 months of first MBBS. I do not know. Just enjoying, sir. I'm seeing movies in the Netflix and Amazon. Please, my dear friends, this is the time you see Amazon or Netflix or any movie which you love in YouTube or anything. But what next to be done? We have to remember, my dear friend, not only the medicine is our goal. Many successful people find out the other ways of earning. Not only learning, we should find a way to earn, how to earn. So There are humpty number of things are available in the market. Share market is there. Okay, many students in US and UK, their parents after 18 years of age, they will leave them. They will go and work in the petrol bank as a attender there. They will be working in the hotel as a attender boy. They will be learning. They will be identifying the society. They will be earning money also. Find a plan B. I am not telling us to go there and do something, because our parents will not allow, first of all. But there are other ways to learn things other than medicine. Ideal period is post first year, the 6 months. Learn share market, interact with so many successful people. You will be learning something, my dear friends. Undergraduate days, don't forget to use library at least for taking a cup of coffee. Go take the coffee and go into the library. Sit. There is a ICMR research, first year to final year alone will be done. Do something, whether the ICMR accepts it or not. You will know what is publication. Still I remember attending a lot of conferences during undergraduate days. I will be going for eating dinner or lunch, but something used to run in our mind. Something falls into our brain that will be a game changer. Yeah, successful people learn from others' mistake. Don't try to learn from your own mistake. To become an achiever, to crack NEET PG or next or exit examination in a first attempt, to get a wonderful percentile in next or exit exam, what to do? There are 3 P's for success. There are umpteen number of things up there to tell how to crack the anatomy in 2 days or 3 days, etc., etc. But as a basement, the basement is more important than the building. What are the 3 P's for success? Is first, I will tell you, pray. Prayer gives strength. Play, and then prepare anything. You prepare for medicine or prepare for any content preparation, anything. And the group, the team, the power of team. Group discussion. Once you identify your team, never ever find faults in that. Don't find any communal politics. Don't find any caste politics. But sometimes we may need to redefine the friends also in later. Try to avoid who is irritating you. Avoid. Keep your energy with you. If somebody is pulling all your energy, he is not sharing his knowledge to you, what is the point of keeping him with you? Remove him and create a new friends. There are a humpty number of people are available for your friendship, for your love, for your team. Use it, okay? And give the team the best, and the team will give you the best intent for you. Self-motivation is the key. Many people used to ask many achievers, how you keep yourself motivated? My chief used to tell, this be confident. I will come back to the be confident. My chief, Professor Govindaraj Periyasamy, the first lab transplant surgeon in Tamil Nadu government service, used to tell yourself, I am confident, I am good, I am fit, I will rock, I will learn many things, I will earn nicely, I enjoy my life. Ultimate thing in the life is to be happy. Many people used to tell during the exam, especially during the NEET PG preparation, hey chap, be confident, man, you can easily rock. This kind of talk we used to hear. But that words are all mantras. But as a person, if you take, even my seniors have told me, I have not felt as a confident. I am confident. No. But be confident is the word will be given for anyone, but even for a first rank holder, after near the exam, he will not feel confident. For being confident, these are the keys of success from Professor Govindaraj Periyasamy, first lab transplant surgeon in Tamil Nadu government service. Cross motivation. This helps a lot. There finds a team. The group 4, I will tell you the best team is group 4, more than 4 or 5. I think the team, the discussion will reduce. Even if you are 8 group of friends, please divide into 2 teams. Sorry. This cross motivation helps. Somebody will be like, everyone, we are not computers to keep our RAM always updated. We are just a human being. We have a lot of chemicals and lies between the neurons, acetylcholine and serotonin. Sometime our acetylcholine goes up, our friend will be the real serotonin. That cross motivation will help. Identify our enemy, my dear friends. The enemy are our real motivators. They will guide us. They will keep ourselves to grow. Still, I remember our top star, our hero in movie, of course, Vijay used to tell, identify your enemy. We will identify our enemy. They are our motivators. They build our energy. They give the energy. They make ourselves to build our knowledge, build our wisdom, build everything. And the group, I told you, the discussion, the teamwork rocks. When the final exam comes, whether it is a first year or final year or a NEET PG exam, no for a application exam. So there are a lot of apps will be claiming, use my app, you get this kind of discount. See this video, you will wonder, this is the best app the first ranker is telling. But you will be seeing that first ranker telling the same in every application after getting the money from each application. Okay, no for the app near the exam. Close your Facebook, open your book. Don't go into the Facebook. Lot of controversies, lot of communal politics, lot of unnecessary things. Open your book. The key for success is revision, revision, revision. As the cause for mitral stenosis is rheumatic fever, rheumatic fever, rheumatic fever. The key for success in any exam is revise, revise, revise. That's another mantra for success. For everyone near the exam, the sleep is important. 6.5 hours sleep. So many people used to tell, sir, I sleep 1.5 hours in the afternoon time and 5 hours in the night time. Is it okay, sir? No, 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 not at all. The 6.5 hours sleep cycle is very important because the first 2/3 of the sleep is non-REM sleep. The last 1/3 of the sleep is a REM sleep. The REM sleep gives more time for consolidation of the knowledge. The first 2/3 of the sleep is for physical fatigue, and last 1/3 of the sleep is for our concentration, our knowledge, our consolidation of the concepts. So don't miss it. Play, a lot of exercise. Just we can do some stretch exercise that also can help. Pray God. Prayer is an important energy for everyone. Still, I used to tell every time, the Nandi, the famous idol in Hindu temple, Nandi is the one, even something we can't tell to our parents, but we can tell to Nandi. Nandi either listen it or not, but de-stress us. Preparation. So 3 P's for the success is prayer, play, and then prepare. But always feel, whether you crack this exam or not, the plan A fails. There are a lot of things, plan B, C, D, etc., etc. So don't worry, this is our ultimate. Not at all. Be cool. The attitude, the right attitude, the energy, whether we win or lose is immaterial, my dear friends. Play the game. Read. Love the subject. Okay. Winning or losing is immaterial. Cracking the exam, being number 1 or number 2 is immaterial. You will be definitely a topper, my dear friend. Because you are a player. You are playing the game. The winner will, at the finishing the first rank or second rank, he feels good and he becomes calm down. Not at all. A player, he always play until his final breath. So remember to play the game rather than finding a target and winning this target is not life. The life is a play and it has to be taken in the right attitude with a cool spirit. How to face the challenges. When I discussed about 10 students in various medical colleges in last few days, I identified these questions. Sir, we do not know how to study, sir. We don't have any orientation for final year, sir. Sir, lack of clinical posting due to COVID, sir. Please help us. How to overcome this? So how to study? The next or exit or NEET PG pattern, a lot of changes. Government is going to bring exit exam for 2018 batch. I am saying 99.9% it will be there. So don't get worried when you are near the exam. So how to prepare for this? So a lot of integration being discussed, vertical and horizontal integration. But I simplify you, system-wise approach, organ-wise approach. So if you are a first MBBS, clear the first MBBS exam, and you are in the second year, or you are in the second MBBS student entering into the pre-final year, but waiting for the exam, because for you also there is no exam, for pre-final year also, second MBBS and pre-final MBBS, no exam due to the COVID. What you can do, how to keep yourself motivated, go with the system-wise preparation. CNS, CVS, RS, endocrine, GIT, the 5 major systems. So start with the anatomy. For example, CNS, neuroanatomy, neurophysiology, neuropathology, neuropharmacology, neuromedicine, neuroradiology, neurosurgery. This systemized approach, yeah, as a first year completed person, can't you prepare neuroanatomy now? Take 200 pages book, buy 5 books, and name each book CNS, RS, CVS, abdomen, GIT, consolidate, start the anatomy first, neuroanatomy in the first book. And once you complete the neuroanatomy, subsequently in the same book, at the point of neurophysiology, there you will find a lot of overlap, my dear students. You will find a lot of overlap. There you will consolidate. When you read pharmacology or pathology, you will know, oh, this is simple, that this tract is being attacked. When you learn about selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, you might have learned about the dopaminergic pathway and the serotonergic pathway. Okay, oh, SSRI is acting like this. By knowing as acetylcholine serotonin imbalance, you will know Parkinsonism is because of this or that. So you will find a way, oh, okay, well, if you increase acetylcholine, Parkinsonism will be treated. Yes, the medicine is over. When you go to the neurosurgery, yeah, there are some surgeries for Parkinsonism. Does it feel good, my dear? This is the way. As a second-year MBBS student, now you know something about the Parkinsonism. Now you know something about the management of depression. Yes, this is integrated approach. Prepare like this. Work out a lot of Q banks, especially the graduates, house surgeons. The pattern of the exam is changing. Work out a lot of Q banks. That is very important, very key. These are the places which is like a ENT, ophthalmology, biostatistics. They are separate, not much integration. Still, we can read, we can try to integrate wherever possible. As a graduate side, I'm telling you again, put a lot of MCQs, watch less videos, discuss more. When we discuss more, the lot of unidentified gray zones will be easy to remember. I always tell, some points, even in the exam, out of 300 questions, first 10 questions, 1 or 2 questions, you may not be able to identify. There may be some thought block, but when you answer the 300th question, when you come back in revising the first the question which you are unable to answer, you will be able to answer because the thought block will be clear. That's how the discussion helps. The biggest challenges the students face is because of the COVID. They are not able to go for the clinics. What is best? Still, your faculty can help. Don't worry about like inspection, palpation, percussion, auscultation. Not like that is very important. Find out what is important. The book of Bible for undergraduate is thus. Please read that. Don't go for shortcuts now. You will be learning a lot. Don't go with a book with the small points. Medicine, please read McLeod's and discuss. There are a lot of videos available, free videos available in the YouTube also. There are a lot of faculties also taking. Ask your faculties, they will definitely take. It is because we don't ask them, they are not taking. Please ask them. Identify the right faculty. If you ask everybody, they may not. Identify the faculty who has interest. You ask me, I will teach surgery. No issues in spite of any time. But I will teach you in such a way, you will learn 1 or 2 points in a given problem, but the mind will be full of energy. Always when there is a thyroid swelling, you have to remember whether you see the swelling, that is a lower part of the swelling. When you read the hernia, you should know that the hernia will not have a get above the swelling. When you read the hydrocele will have the get above the swelling. These are the key, my dear friends. No surgeon will try to watch thyroid swelling which goes into the that is a retrosternum, that is into the mediastinum, because anytime the patient will have a pressure effect. So anybody should know get above the swelling for hydrocele. If you do not know get above the swelling for the hydrocele, sometimes we miss the hernia for hydrocele. Like this we should read, my dear friends. The graduates, I told you, in spite of the change of the NEET PG 2021 date, what is important is work out more MCQs. The MCQs are the key. Lot of consolidations you will get. Work out the question bank, the key for success. So please remember, my dear friends, in the COVID phase 1, we have lost almost 747 doctors. In COVID phase 2, we have lost almost 594 doctors. Don't worry, where do we stand? But be happy, I am alive. Be happy. Lakhs and lakhs of people have died all over the world. But you feel good. I am alive. I am alive. I am alive today. Thank God for that. Don't worry whether you have lost 2 years of your medicine. Don't worry whether you have lost 2 years of post-graduation period. Don't worry. The NEET PG 2021 is postponed. Don't worry. But you and I are alive. Thank God for that, my dear friends. Okay. Always the key for the success is what do you feel? Whatever others may talk, but when you see the mirror should reflect like this. Almost a decade and more, I am facing the same one. I am feeling the same one. I end this point with the famous word from the Tirukkural, which made me an average or below average student in the 8th standard. Even sometimes I copied also, and I being caught for being copied also. உள்ளுவதெல்லாம் உயர்வல்லல் மற்றது தள்ளினும் தள்ளாமை நீத்து. உள்ளுவதெல்லாம் உயர்வல்லல் மற்றது தள்ளினும் தள்ளாமை நீத்து. சோ நம்ம நினைக்கிறது மிகப்பெரிய விஷயங்களா நினைச்சோம்னா அது கிடைக்கல, அந்த நினைவுகள் நம்மளை வழி நடத்தும். Famous English words, aim for the stars, whether you reach that or not, you will definitely, the energy will get. All the best, my dear friend. Enjoy. I am here for you to guide at any time. This is Dr. Antony Resh Kumar, founder, CEO, president, Concept. Jai Hind. Bye.
So thank you, sir. Such a massive motivation series for our students. It was coming like anything. I hope this. I'm very sure our students would have got an idea about how to proceed further, and moreover, your wonderful talks was great. So we have few questions which they have sent to me on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to read it one by one here for you. Just a minute.
Students can post your queries. I am there to guide you, my dear friends.
Yeah. So the first question, because I've segregated a few things according to the this one importance of thing. So what are the basic difference between NEET PG, next and exit exam?
What is the basic
difference between NEET PG, the previous one, and the upcoming next and exit?
See, students, one thing we should understand, the latest NEET PG pattern itself has become like a next or exit exam. What the government follows is a USMLE trend. I used to tell even 2 years back when the pattern of change going to happen was announced. There is no difference between the current NEET PG and the upcoming next exam. What they are going to ask is more of clinical scenario based questions. More the questions will be like a application. They will be asking a question about the jaundice, but when you understand the basic difference between hemolytic jaundice, obstetric jaundice, then only we can able to crack that question. Okay, they may not identify what is the exact this. They may be giving a question like a obstetric jaundice. They will be asking whether the urine will have a urobilinogen. Something like that will be the questions will be framed like that. So the application is going to be the difference in upcoming next or exit exam and current NEET PG exam. That's the reason I'm telling you, please work out a lot of Q banks, which has a lot of clinical scenario based question. That will help you, my dear friends. I think Nadesh has some.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So next question, you're asking this is a consolidation of 3 questions.
Yes.
How to prepare for this next exam during my MBBS time? Because we used to have a lot of exams, we used to have a lot of other activities. How to balance that? And is there any very specific way of preparing that? Because
yeah,
I remember that when I was during my MBBS time, this trend of learning early wasn't. So we either start during our final year, which is kind of rare then, or else people do during the internship, which is quite common. And a very common is only after internship. So, like, because those times, these kind of online thing wasn't there. That, like, there wasn't any coaching apps. And most importantly, there are only books, and people have to go physically to search. Because I remember there was one person called as Dr. Sunil for pharmacology, and he was from Trishur. So nowadays we can see a lot of young people who are giving very equivalent stuff to the old people, and this online thing has made a tremendous impact in the students' life. So how to basically manage those things? Should we again go for the MCQ books, or should we go for the coaching classes, or we go for the online things? How, sir?
Natesh, the question is very good. The answer is very simple, I can say. As I told you in the talk, the entire talk is the life of a medico. Not only me, even my life also is added into this talk. Even many students which I have interacted, like their life also being added. And almost 20 to 25, since 1998, I have seen, so including my MBBS period and so many MBBS period, students' life also being added. The secret, I can say, the second MBBS is the time we feel like a lot of fun, politics, problems, all those things. Okay, so that is the time the pace of reading is also slow. I always tell, as a student, when you involve in activities, when you involve in role play, your energy will always be good. So why, sir, cracking the next exam, you are asking me to do role play? No, my dear friends, when you take a role play, you will see the problem and you will get out of the problem. That is a confidence for you. That will give a huge energy. Whether to take a coaching, see, every student will have a one or other, not one or 3-4 apps within their mobile. Am I right or wrong? Just tell me. They will have the concept app. They will have another X app, Y app, Z app. Somebody is giving for some 1 rupee also. Concept is also giving for 1 rupee. That also will be there. What is the key for success? That is not the key for success. I will not acknowledge, even though I am giving a coaching. As a student, the power is within you. That is the reason I told you, form a group. Identify your team. Your team is your teacher. Just I will tell you one example for this. When I joined MCH Urology, we all are married, kids. So the final year, we have got a time for preparation. Almost 4,000 pages in that book. I made a chart. We were 8 members. Divided 300 pages for every 3 months for everyone. And give a first weightage to clinical subject. And do you remember, now with that concept and content, we created a urology coaching for super specialty, and concept super specialty urology is #1 in India. Where the basement comes from the group. The best group, if there is a best group, I will rather tell the coaching can be an ancillary rather than primary. It is a supportive coaching, and all is a supportive. Make use of your team. Keep your energy high. That is a key for success, my dear friends.
Excellent, sir. So, because what has happened recently, people have to form a group. Everyone wants to crack the PG. So everyone wants to take their own books. They feel that as if they're going to crack something very big. So they forget the term of friendship. Like they want to secure more. That kind of a poisonous competition, like it's building up nowadays.
Not at all. It should not be there. It is not healthy at all.
Exactly.
The friends will teach us a lot. Friends are the society. MBBS period is a society. You will learn a lot from this society. Yeah.
True. And how to combine preparing this next NEET and USMLE? Is there a common thing which
I can say the next or USMLE are same, my dear. See, I am a USMLE topper. I feel happy because USMLE gave a lot of knowledge for me. I scored 94 in step 1, 97 in step 2. So that is the knowledge used for creating the concept coaching also. The one thing which I can tell you for you students, my dear students, is either in the USMLE and exit exam, you have to understand the concept. That's where the integrated learning comes. That's the reason I told you, get a 5 books, 200 pages book, 5 books for 5 major system. when you read with the neuroanatomy, neurophysiology, or endocrine anatomy, endocrine physiology, endocrine medicine, endocrine surgery, or pathology, that chapter itself is over. Exam also comes like that. Always remember, biostatistics is the key. We have to read biostatistics. We have to be very thorough in that epidemiology, nominal, ordinal, all those things. Yes, Natish.
And like maybe I just want to a tuition, because there could be some kind of a dilemma. Whether should I prepare for a dilemma?
Yeah.
Like whether should I prepare for NEET or should I prepare for this USMLE, because I want to go to US also. And there were previous days, maybe if they prepare for this USMLE, they will not be able to achieve this NEET. So is there any common thing where preparing for NEET itself can be used for USMLE, or how to go about it?
Natish, the question is very good. I told you, see, as a second MBBS student or final year student, when you have a plan B, the plan B is a USMLE. As a MBBS graduate, I take USMLE as a plan A. I got good score in as a just finished MBBS house surgery, completed house surgery. Within 3 months, I gave USMLE. I scored plan. I cleared USMLE step 1. That concept helped me to crack the All India PG exam that time. So I will rather tell the USMLE exam content is very strong, because if you are very strong only, you can answer USMLE question. Rather, in other words, also I will tell you, if you able to crack USMLE, the next year exit exam will be nothing, I can say.
So there is a common thing between this. So preparing
always. Okay. Only the question bank will be differing. And the USMLE question bank, we have to work out more question bank from the USMLE kind of things, and from coaching from USMLE content. The question bank is the key for success. I always tell, the listening videos for 1,000 hours, 700 hours, 800 hours, it will be rather many students are worrisome and fearsome and nightmare. I will not advise to watch such videos. Rather, form a group and discuss.
Okay. So is there any very specific ways to strategize to attend MCQ? Because we have completed this, the UG also, they're preparing the PG. So these questions were from them. How to strategize to attend MCQs? I'm going to give you the like next also. How many questions to attend? Can I attend all the questions? How many questions to leave?
See, this is $1 million question, Natish. But as a strategy, which I have told many of my batchmates, they also cracked their rank in AIIMS and various exams. And which is the winning strategy in super specialty urology, as well as concept Tamil Nadu PG to NEET PG. The simple strategy is like, see, when there are 200 questions, okay, in AIIMS 200 questions are there. When 200 questions are given for 3 hours, divide the question 50-50-50, okay. So 50-50 questions will become totally 2 hours. So rather you take 60-60. So 180 questions, and first added 20 should come to the first round. So 80-60 plus 60. So in first 80 should be done in first half an hour. Second 60 should be done in next half an hour. Third 60 should be done in next half an hour. Okay. Suppose the exam time is 2 hours. Something like that you divide. Okay. So exam time is last half an hour is being allotted for revision. Okay. I think the timing I confused you. Because we are very weak in math with calculation. That is the reason we become doctors. Okay. So out of 3 hours for AIIMS of 200 questions, 50-50-50, half an hour. So 2 hours, then remaining 1 hour for revision. That's how you prepare and face the exam. When you give the complete that 200 questions in 2 hours, you calculate what are the things you attended. Just imagine in the 2 hours of first round, you have to attend the question which you are know 100% confidently. Don't take anything else. If you answer like this, out of 200 questions, at the end of 2 hours, you make like 100 and 120 something. I rather tell you, in the next 1 hour, there are a lot of questions. The thought block will be cleared, and you will be answering that. answer those questions, and it will become something around 70%. And this or that question will be there, another 10%. So rather 70 to 80% is more than enough. For winners, many times the winners fall in this cutoff. Okay, if you learn one, if you know only 40 to 30% at the first round, if you want to get a pass percentile alone, again you can take this risk. But this is like winning or losing doesn't make a matter. If you only 30 to 40% right in the first round, rather attend all 90-95% of questions.
Thank you, sir. So there is one more question: how to prepare for UniCET exam in the final year? Is it able to achieve my goal if I prepare for my final year and internship? Will I be able to achieve? Maybe something wrong. Basically, the
Please
question is on.
Repeat the question, my dear. I don't get you.
The question is on how to prepare for INI CET.
INI, okay.
Yeah, INI CET in the final year. Will I be able to achieve my goal if I prepare during final year and the internship?
See, there are a lot of examples for students who cracks institute exam in their first attempt itself. Okay, but we should be very practical. Okay, the number of seats in the institute exams are very limited. Okay, let us take an overall in AIIMS. The AIIMS Institute, 1,000 seats are available. Okay, but when you take a NEET PG exam, nearly 25,000 seats plus seats are also being introduced in NATBOARD. DNB seats are also available. So we can give a sincere attempt to crack the 1,000, one among the 1,000 people. Okay, but there are people, when they give the exam in the first attempt, sometimes the questions are very vague. Especially previous JIPMER, they will not ask anything from standard books. They will be asked only from journal. We should not feel depressed. I told you the attitude of cool attitude, playing. The winners are not finishing after winning something, they be quiet. The winners are the one who always play the game. They don't worry about, yeah, I won. No, they will never have the feel, yes, I won. They just play the game. Such attitude will help you even when you are not able to crack INI exam, institute exam. That attitude will help to crack the NEET PG. To crack the first attempt, the NEET PG, yes, it's an awesome thought process. Follow whatever the footsteps I told you, roadmap I have given. Definitely you can crack, my dear friends, but always ready to accept the failure, accept the criticism. This all the way will relax our mindset, keep our serotonin high.
Maybe students may be wondering that the questions what they ask, the answer what they give is completely divided opposite, because from the student mindset they want a direct question. What they're giving is right answer because they want to play the game. It is not about winning; it's about playing. Because once they shift the attitude, the outcome is completely changed. So the students should understand that. Students, please listen to this. Once you are aiming for something, there's a high chance you're going to miss it. Once you enjoy shooting it, then ultimately you will achieve it. That's what he's meant to say. So please note it down. This is where his success has been engraved, because concept as a center, as a business, is really successful for more than a decade. So this is words from a very experienced person who has got district marks during his school days, who has got distinctions, medal during his UG, successful PG, then MCH, and now running a business and practicing. It is not very, it's not a very easy thing to get married, to managing the home things, managing the business, and staying. So, good, excellent, sir, excellent. And
Thank you.
Next question, I'm going to consolidate a few things. So now we're preparing for PG. How to prepare, because we have one intern batch now. So they're preparing for PG. How to plan further during our internship? How to approach a mock paper?
See, my dear interns, make things. This is I will say the real key for success. As an intern, you just read final MBBS subject: medicine, surgery, OG, pediatrics, and SARP, skin anesthesia, radiology, psychiatry, and pediatrics. Okay, and I will tell you the simple key for the success is. One thing should you run in your mind is you have to attend your posting nicely. But today everything has become COVID. In fact, we are helpless. And once again, the battery is getting down. Sorry for the inconvenience. Once again, give me a time, Nadesh.
No issues, no issues. So meanwhile, students can ask their doubts. If somebody wants to ask it personally, at the end of the session, we can give some time, because few things, if you want to get the same vibe of him, you have to talk with him. So maybe at the end of it. Please proceed, sir.
Yes, Nadesh. Thank you, Nadesh. See, so when you read the final MBBS subject, when you work also, but in this COVID time, the working is only completely COVID, nothing but only the COVID. But this alone will not sustain for a long time. Okay, so another 4 weeks or 6 weeks, these waves and all will come down. The regular patients also we will be seeing. When you see a patient, please read. Just revise whether you read in Bailey and Love or whether you read in X or Y book. Okay, please, in the intern time, please read whatever the book you have read so far. Don't try to bring brand new books and read. Many of the times every word will be Greek and Latin for us. So don't do that. Just read the book, whatever you have, and start working out the questions, my dear friend. I just put a word at this time. I'm not promoting much about the concept, but I'm for this given question, I'm answering a point. See, we have given concept next step for 1 rupee. Okay, just to take for 1 rupee and just work out the question in surgery, radiology or medicine. Brand new questions are pakka latest NEET PG pattern questions. You will enjoy, my dear friends. And when you read the final MBBS, because last year out of 300 questions, 150 questions were from medicine, surgery, pediatrics alone. 73 questions from medicine and 48 questions from surgery, and 30 to 40 questions from OG and 20 questions from pediatrics. Will you believe? So when you read the final year exam questions alone, there is a highest chance you will get 600 and more score. That's a good one. 800, 900, you will be in top 100. 600 and more will be, you will be around 10,000 All India ranking. You will get some dream seat. Thank you, Nadesh. Nadesh, you are not audible.
Yeah. So there is one interesting question. So what you are saying, it is for very bright student. I'm an average student. I want excel in NEET. So
see, the average student, there is nothing called average student, above average student, or excellent students. I always tell the attitude makes a winning strategy, my dear students. See, because no one will learn entire medicine to crack the exam. Remember the rule 1. No, so far in the history, nobody has got 300 out of 300. Okay, remember these points. And I still remember, I don't want to acknowledge the name. In my batch, I am a 98 batch. My batch, the best outgoing student has got ranked behind me. His attitude is like, oh, I am the best outgoing student, I will get everything. It's not like that. The best outgoing student, there is always that. When you compare the tortoise versus rabbit, the tortoise is always a winner, not the rabbit. You gain the confidence. That's the reason I will tell you, play. Don't worry about the winning. See, you can, how to, okay, I know all these games, sir. You tell me what to do for this. I tell you simple. Find a person who is good in knowledge. Catch him and discuss. He will learn your attitude, because without knowing anything, you will be listening to him. But listening to him, you will be learning a lot of points. That is important, my dear friends. He will be teaching, his knowledge is consolidated. You will be learning, that will reduce the time to read. The above average student becomes excellent student. Below average student become an average student. The extraordinary student will become still more extraordinary student, because the best way to crack any exam is group discussion. There are a lot of examples during my undergraduate time. So many seniors. There are four members. They have still, I remember Dr. Sivaraman is my one of the mentor during my undergraduate days. He is an orthopedic surgeon at Chettinad Medical College. He's all 4 friends has got radiology, ortho, OG, and general medicine like that. Okay, so the group discussion is the key, my dear friend. One of your person will be definitely good in reading. Use his knowledge. Get his knowledge. Don't feel I do not know. Nobody knows every point in medicine, every point in this world. Katradhu kaiman alavudha. Thank you, Nadesh.
Superb, sir. Superb. Very interesting for students. And I just want to say one thing, because what happens when when the person deems himself to be an average, that means he's accepting that like he can't perform well. So that like then he has to see himself whom he's been being surrounded with. If everyone is being average, then he can succeed. So as you said, he has to go forward and talk to some people who are excelling in few skills. So the moment he listens to them, he's going to imbibe his attitude, his qualities. I think students should come forward, like they all, not like simply going along with the same people, and then they'll be having only the same achievements. Right? And one more question: if I fail in next or the exit, can I join CRRA? Basic things.
See, there is no proper rules and regulation from Government of India. Okay, so don't worry, my dear friend. Live this today, learn medicine today, enjoy life today. Life is more about next or exit exam or NEET PG exam or money or fame or power or anything. Life is enjoying today. I am happy. That is life. Okay, let it be whatever the new rules government brings. We will face it, my dear friends. But don't worry about all those things. I remember still my undergraduate days. I don't get enough motivation. I find all this energy from my seniors. I never leave my seniors at any time. I forgive my seniors. I learned a lot from the seniors. I gained a lot of energy from the seniors. That's the reason, and my teachers. That's the reason I'm giving credit to my seniors and teachers for every achievement in my time. Okay, so I always tell, keep your mind happy. Life enjoyment is more important. Whether when the exit exam, one attempt come, next attempt can we give, or what kind of rules will come? Oh my God, I do not know how I am going to face. I have not entered the cadaver like Anton sir told in his talk. I have not seen the cadaver also. Is immaterial, my dear friends. Your group, your wonderful discussion team. Even I tell this time one point, as a first year MBBS student, we have ragging. Ragging means they will not beat and all. There are some work they will not allow us to read. Okay, but near the exam, our seniors are very good. Still, I remember one of my senior. I used to ask, "What is the important question in anatomy in upper limb?" You tell me, sir. He used to tell, "Bloody, is there any part which is important, unimportant in your limb? Do you feel this thumb is less important than index finger?" Like that, he will ask. So we are forced to read the entire Chaurasha upper limb in 1 week. So what we used to do is we divide the portion among the group four. Okay, the group concept not now developed. It developed in 1998. Okay, so out of 25 pages, we used to divide five pages for among four of us, and we used to cross teach us. So like that, the average team can also become an extraordinary team. You no need to identify a new person. You average team, if you feel like, you also can become an extraordinary team by doing this, my dear.
Just a random thought which is striking my mind, sir. I just want to chat with you. For example, if you are introverts, they may not be able to go and talk to people. I think the app can help people like them to build community. Once you download the app, there can be a space for like discussion rooms, community rooms, where you can always identify those kind of weak people. They can come and join there, and you can put one and just giving you an idea. Like it could be a virtual discussion room where people can gain motivation. So app is not only for learning, it is also for motivating and for creating a community. So that'd be a concept community rather than only a learning center. Because what you say is a good vision and it can be incorporated in the app also. Next is, this is for you, very personally for you to ask. The speaker has finished USMLE. Why is in India? So he's doing PG in India or US is good? Direct question.
Direct question. No, Suthiyoche answer.
Nothing. Why is in India?
See, I tell Dr. Sivaraman, orthopedic surgeon at Chettinadu, he was at UK after his MS Ortho. He told me, go and then do USMLE. I still remember, Anna, enala padikka mudiyumana appdin ketta. Appo அவர் சொன்ன வார்த்தை, ஆண்டன் எவன் வேணா வாங்குறான், இதே வார்த்தை தான். எவன் வேணா வாங்குறான், நீ வாங்குறதுக்கு என்னடா போய் படுறானாரு. But I never feel like to settle. Many people goes to US for settle down there. Personally, I don't feel where I live is I should be a boss. That is my personal attitude. Okay, I felt US is a place to learn medicine, surgery, and to come back India. But when I cleared USMLE 1 and step 2, I focused to clear. I gave a step 1 in June. I got a rank in July. I supposed to give a step 2 in August, but September. But because of some of the family commitment I failed to give the step 2 in August. So it postponed to the next slot 3 months. I postponed to January. By the time I gave USMLE 2, I got 97 percentile. The January first week, the All India PG exam also came. So God gave best rank for both. But I am a very average family. My parents are teachers. They are not in a position to give a 5 lakh support to go to US. That time, minimum 5 lakhs should be there. The flight cost itself will cost around 60 to 80,000. Okay, so there to stay, go for observership, all those things were the hardship for me. So I got 458 rank in All India PG that time, and Tamil Nadu PG 196 rank, and PJ Chandigarh 541 rank. So wherever I wrote the exam, everywhere I got the seat. And my dream was to become a surgeon. I got a Stanley MS General Surgery. After MS, my mind again started thinking about the US. But many people said India is better than US. Why you want to go there? And many good friends, they made me to stay back in the US. After 7 years, the USMLE, the period also is over. I attempted for 2 times. The visa is also rejected. So to go into the US, this is my nostalgic story. To whether you want to go into the US alone, yes, there are people following my footsteps. My students, almost 20 students are there in US. Do you believe? Before my batch, one senior, Dr. Anand, got USMLE. He is 5 years senior to me. After that, immediate juniors and so many juniors, nearly 20 to 30, for my knowledge, beyond that will be there because I completed 20 years back. 2004 I have completed. So 20 to 30 for my knowledge itself. So they have gone there. I have guided them. I have helped them for publications. The publications helps a lot. The clinical clericalship, they used to tell, observership. Even you can get some, you can be associated with me in a transplant surgical program. I can help you to give a letter of recommendation. Those works a lot. And your research attitude works a lot. This is all the one which helps you to crack into the USMLE to achieve the residency. Here we call PG, there they will call a residential exam. So you can get into the residency program. So many students are there. I can help you to go into the USMLE. They can guide you also, no issues.
So after listening to this, I don't know whether students can observe that or not. There was nothing different in the approach. There was only one approach. Please tell them, because that is called as secret of your success. Because you cracked everything, you succeed in everything, but you choose one thing also. So what did you consider as a secret of your success?
I have a strong belief in God, Natesh. I have a good people, good vibration always surrounds me. I always ignore the wrong people. So the good people will identify our energy, and they will keep pouring some ATP for us. They will give a lot of energy for us. They will tell Anton, this is good, this is bad. They will keep on guiding us. I am surrounded with a lot of good people. They are good guide for me, and that I feel the secret of success. I gave a lot of credit to my friends. Now I gave a lot of credit to my wife, because she gives a lot of positive energy. She identifies my energy now. And before marriage, I can say a lot of my teachers. My father is a good energy. He always used to tell, my father is a teacher. He used to tell like this, that's a good kind of energy. That's a key for success. I never take a failure into my mind. There are periods which I also depressed. That's the reason I gave such a lengthy motivation talk, because I came out of depression. I'm a successful person right now, because because as a first year student, I am an honor in anatomy. Do you believe? Second year, I after the exam, I cried after the pathology exam, because the same group which helped me to go up in first year, by getting honors in anatomy, not everyone may be able to achieve to the level of honors. My preparation, my hard work also was there. As a hostelite, some of the students also pulled me back to down. So that all I faced less motivation, but seniors helped me. I came out of all the stress. That is the secret. The secret is the fighting spirit. Fight, fight, fight. until you play your game. Don't worry whether you win or lose. I will never say to win is a successful one. I play the game. That's how I play the USMLE. That's how I play the TNPG. That's how I played the All India PG. That's how I am still playing. The concept NEET firm has become Concept Education Academy Private Limited, the company now. I play. I don't feel now whether the winning or losing is important. I'm feeling playing is important. Until my last breath, I will play.
Thanks, fantastic, sir. So next week questions. After USMLE, will there be any legal difficulties to practice in India? Number one. Second is, will it be possible for Indian graduates to get the desired residency in USMLE?
See, the last talk your UK faculty gave, I saw the entire program, gave a wonderful lecture. He told UK is a break point to enter into the US. So people who want to go to the US, I will tell rather take the PLAB exam, go and earn some money and prepare USMLE at the UK. Sometimes you may be enjoying the UK place itself. You may not like to go to USMLE, or sometimes you feel UK is bored, man. I learned a lot. I earned a lot of money. Okay, I want to enjoy the new continent, so you will go to the US. Okay, so for you guys, because sometimes the residency program takes years together to get into the proper residency program. So the shortcut to go into the US is UK. Write the plan. There are a lot of opening. All the corona issues will clear shortly. Now this is ideal time to go to UK. I will help you also because a lot of team is there for PLAB. If you want some kind of coaching, we can help you also for PLAB learning, cracking the PLAB. And there are a lot of shortcuts also. If you want to go to the emergency accident and emergency in UK, you don't need to write PLAB exam. There are a lot of shortcuts also. So you just give a IELTS and you can go and crack. So you have a vision. Plan A fails, what to do? Plan B. If plan B fails, what to do? Plan C. The surgeon's attitude. Okay, the spirit of the sportsmanship spirit. Okay, like that we should face the exam. Like that we should face US, UK next exam. Anything, my dear students. To get into the US, UK is the right place or point of entry now.
Okay, sir. And doing PG in countries like Canada, is it worthy? Yes.
See, so many students are going to Canada and Australia. I still remember Australia is a wonderful country. India, I don't deny. I love my country. That's the reason I'm here. But people who doesn't get into the politics scene, the practicing medicine in India is not easy job. Lot of politics will be there. Lot of pressure will be there. And one more thing, the government in Tamil Nadu, the Indian, when you take the doctor population in Tamil Nadu is 1 in 74. Just Google the doctor population in Tamil Nadu. Out of every 2,000 doctor, 2,000 patient, one doctor should be there. That is a WHO recommendation. But in India, not in India, in Tamil, as a India, there will be less. The doctors are less. But when you take a Tamil Nadu, the doctor population is 1 in 74. That is more than, that is, I can say, in a world level, that is second. Doctor population ratio in Tamil Nadu is second in world. First is Finland. The Finland doctor population is 1 in 64. In Tamil Nadu, doctor population is 1 in 74. Do you think so much doctors will get a good comfort zone in Tamil Nadu? So it is not wrong to go somewhere and earn and come back to our country. If you like, you go and settle down in a place where you love and where you want to live. Yeah, that's a good place. Canada is a good place. Australia is a good place. Go and open. It is a world is open for globalization. World is open to settle down for every person, including medicals also. So settling in Canada and Australia is a good option. But any place outside India, the chance for getting surgical residency is less. So keep your dreams out for surgery and residency. Rather, join medicine and become an interventional physician. Who says no for that? Have such an attitude. Okay.
Okay. And will 2017 batch, that is attending the finalists now, will the NEET or next year?
So they 2017 batch who are final year right now, definitely they won't have any next exam and all. I pray God it should not be there for them, because this COVID time definitely government will not keep. Definitely you will have your own university exam, and after that you will have NEET PG exam. What is more important, what is more stressful, I feel, that is the reason out of all busy schedule, I'm dedicating my time for preparing NEET PG content that is becoming a next or exit content is, see, to clear a final MBBS exit exam to put a doctor degree, is going to make a huge stress. There are a lot of apps which makes 1,000 hours or 4 or 800 hours, 900 hours. Nobody talks about the group discussion. That is the reason I'm telling again and again the role of group discussion. Okay. So for 2017 batch, I pray God you won't have a next or exit exam. You will have your university exam. If some googly happens, okay, I always tell, face it with happiness. Life is more than a next or exit exam, my dear students. But 99.9% it won't be there. Exit exam won't be there.
Okay. And one student asking, what is the scope of doing MS and later on proceeding to MCH or doing MCH directly? Because according to me, there is only MCH neuro direct course, but she's asking MCH gastro is there or not?
No, there is no such. Neurosurgery is there. Even pediatric surgery was there. Whether they will bring, sometimes they can bring the new courses in AIMS Institute and all. But as of now, MCH neurosurgery alone, the direct course alone is there for 6 years. But the preferred one is not direct 6 years. The preferred one is taking MS 3 years, enjoying that period, okay, and then going into the MCH. So I still miss the time as a assistant professor in general surgery at Viluppuram Medical College. A lot of happiness. The students are the real happiness. I love the spending time with the students, teaching them, motivating them, guiding them. Still, my first MBBS medical student from Viluppuram Medical College students are followers. They are in touch with me. Many of them are my faculties, and they give a lot of lecture in my channel also, YouTube channel also. So I love the time. So MS is that period you have to go through academically, as well as you will enjoy the extra academic content also. And as a learning skill, acquiring skills in general surgery is very important when you go into the MCH.
Okay, so excellent, sir. I think we have overshot the time also, but still covered all the questions. And there are a few questions regarding the concept, because I'm going to keep it together, because to ask it together at the end. I don't know. And thinking like, what is the role? I mean, this is my question. I'm going to ask it in the end. And how like your institute can help the graduates for NEET PG 2021, and what is the concept's current trend? How can they help even MBBS students, not only PGs? So, very specific for your
yeah. See, concept is number one for super specialty coaching in India, my dear friends. Almost even now, 1,500 students are utilizing the concept applications, and 3,000 more MD students are utilizing the application for QBank. So, concept is well proven for urology in India. That's how my passion to teach urology and learn urology becomes a teaching urology. The teaching urology become business for me. And the students also happy. Then no students, even if you see the Google review and the concept Facebook page review, out of 100 students, 99 students might have given 5-star review only, because they enjoy, they value the money which they pay. But for NEET PG 2021 especially, I will tell, please make use of the brand new QBank. Like Kalaignar Karunanidhi, I also have given the level 1 QBank, almost 2,850 questions are there for just a rupee. Okay, so make use of that. That will be there for a 1-year validity, and that is the one. The 2,850 questions will make you will enjoy. You will, after reading that, you can definitely give a review. I don't want to tell you will put 5-star, but you will definitely put a 5-star, because the content in the review are such a way. The content in the questions are such a way, more of clinical scenario based and nothing from copied, and almost 20 to 30 faculties work for dedicated their time, almost a year to prepare the question. So this will help for the young generation, and for the MBBS second year, third year students have a vision. So that vision will soon accomplished. The concise content of integrated pre-recorded teaching will be made available soon. Pray Almighty to give energy for concept team and me, so that this unique program, which will not be more of a commercial oriented, which will definitely a good work for the students. They will definitely enjoy that, because I told you the secret of the success is not application. The secret of success is group discussion.
So where they can find the app, please name the app for them, sir.
So Concept, KONCPT, Concept Next app. So I repeat, the Concept KONCPT. Next is a Next app. It is available in Play Store as well as iOS. iOS is costly, so make use of Android app.
So it is KONCPT, not CEPT. It's KONCPT Next app.
Next app, yeah.
Yeah. So my final closing question for you, sir. So again, it will be repetition. Role of concept now and tomorrow in sculpting the students for next and exit.
See, I told you, I always think, because the stress during the undergraduate days is not the easy one to face. I want my dear students should not have a stress. They should not to cracking the, if I somebody has asked, if I suppose fail to crack the exit exam in first attempt, will they give a second attempt? Like, those stress should not be there. So to have a live interaction. See, I'm running 40. By August 11, I will be completing 40. Okay. In this age also, I am thinking about the undergraduate student, because they are our future saviors. They have to, their mindset should be good. So what is concept is working now and for the future is, and will be keep on working until my last breath as a passion. The business or money is an outcome of it, is only one thing: to de-stress the student. The student should not feel stressed. So I will give a content in such a way. I will give a motivation in such a way. Student will definitely love the content, and student will definitely feel good. See, whether the business comes or not, I will be keep on motivating them, because they are my surgeons. They are my physicians. Those future medicos are my family doctors. Okay, they are upcoming surgeons. So that's how I think. That's how many of my teachers have guided me and made me as a surgeon. That's how, because the people are so big, and the vision, the technology has so improved. I don't want to keep my knowledge with me. I just want to spread my energy to entire doctors community in Tamil Nadu and India, as well as to the world. So every medico should feel good, and they should not stress for anything. That is my vision, my dear.
Thank you, sir. So it has been a program also, learning to see everyone to, people, and how listening to your vision, your attitude, and I'm sure this was a very great learning for our students, and to help them to research themselves, to plan according to our guidance, and the hype. And we see you for the next program future. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Natish. Thanks for the administrative team of Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan Medical College. I again thank the founder chairman, Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan Medical College, Mr. A. Srinivasan sir, for this wonderful opportunity, and all administrative staffs, all academic staffs, and my dear friend, Dr. Natesh. Thanks for the invite. I loved the time. I loved sharing my knowledge with this online program. So it will enlighten so much people, will give so much energy for them.
So once again, I want to thank all my students, for management, the EDP section, and for students, if you have any doubts, he's available on Facebook. You can drop a message to him. He's running a closed group also. On him, and please go back, because this video will be uploaded on the YouTube. Take notes of that, and you try to implement all those things which I have taught you now. Take care, everyone. Bye, sir. Take care.
Bye, dear.